talking about what tables and graphs are, how they are used, and give examples of good and just plain scary graphs. A table is an arrangement of words, numbers or signs, or combinations of them, to exhibit a set of facts or relations in a definite, compact, and comprehensive form. A graph is a diagram representing a system of connections or interrelations among two or more things by a number of distinctive dots, lines, bars, etc. To make a good graph you need information that is graph-worthy. It should be simple and summarize the statistics. Next, the graph should show the data accurately. The y-axis should be the dependent variable, which is the one you manipulate. The x-axis should be the independent variable, which is the one monitored for changes.
The units between the x and y-axis should also be consistent. If there isn't a scale, the graph is bad. Avoid it like your ex. Know for some tricks that some people like to use. More information is not always a good thing. Adding an extra 5 million numbers after your decimal point does not make it more accurate. Don't be fooled.
Another thing. Don't let the visual metaphors influence the data. Only order matters. Remember the example from class with the growing dollar bills? That is the perfect example. The size of the money has no relevance to the actual purchasing power. Changing a scale mid-axis is another trick some graphs have. You will see a clear line going up, and a clear line going down, then realize the scale jumped 700,000 units. You would not notice the change until you did some math to find it. And who wants to do math?
For you visual learners out there, here are some examples to sum up this information.
Here is an example of extremely unimportant and irrelevant information. How many pigs does it take to sink a banana boat? Now, let's look at a pie chart that does not make any sense.
Wow, that was bad. Now here is what we consider to be a junk graph.
Finally, we have a good graph. This graph is probably the most accurate of any graph ever made.
Thanks for watching.